Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new address on your Calvin Klein account. If you don't have a Calvin Klein account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get extra 50% off sale. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for addresses. Click on Addresses. On this page, you will see a button that says Add New. Click on Add New. Now first, select either it is a shipping address, a billing address, or can be both shipping and billing address. After selecting, enter your first name, last name, the new address you wish to use, and phone number. After entering all the required information, click on Submit. That's how you add a new address on your Calvin Klein account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.